Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I went online shopping at my local supermarket, but they have got things online that I have not seen in store. It's these wonky veg boxes. They're £3.50 each and I've had 5. Now, the veg in it looks lovely. I mean, that carrot, would you class that as being wonky? I wouldn't. But you've got carrots, parsnips, leeks, potatoes, parsnips, swede, cabbage for £3.50, and I've got 5 of these boxes, so I can do an awful lot with them. So I'm going to be doing quite a bit of canning, I think. Also online I found this jar of olive oil, and I do go through a fair bit of that, so they got it reduced, so I had it. And these wonky peppers, they're half the price of normal peppers, but they don't look any wonkier to me than they normally do. Did buy other things, but they're for my extended pantry. These, however, are things that I need now, and I'm going to do up over the next couple of days, canning and freezing and all the rest. So that's this week's. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect